In today's video, I want to show you guys how to install a GFCI. On my case, we're installing a GFCI in the kitchen. And as you can see, the first thing you want to do first, you want to screw in your ground tail to the box. And then you want to grab the ground that's coming from the panel. You want to cut it down a little bit because it might be too long. Then you want to grab a piece of ground, and then you're going to join all three together so you could create a tail for your outlet or your GFCI. So the first thing you want to do is put all three together, and you give it a few twists with your hand just to keep it intact. Then you want to grab your pair of pliers, or we like to call it linesman. You want to twist it a few times. You want to cut the waste, and then you're going to twist it one last time, make it nice. Grab your wire nut, and you're going to twist the wire nut so you could protect your wire at all time. Then you want to tuck it into the box a little bit. Now the next thing you want to do is grabbing your neutral and your hot, and you want to cut it down a little bit because it's too long. And you want to strip them, have it ready. Once you finish that, then you want to go grab your GFCI or your outlet. Oops, drop it. First thing you always want to do when you're installing an outlet or GFCI, you do the ground first. It's the first thing first. Once you finish screwing the ground tail, the next thing you want to do is your neutral. Which, by the way, if you guys didn't know, the neutral always go in the silver side of the screw, and then the black one goes on the gold side of the screw. The gold is always hot. Once you finish that, so the last thing you're going to do is grab your black, and you're going to put in the black screw. Some company, the black wire goes in the black screw. Some companies gold. It all depends on the brand of your device that you purchase. So the next thing you want to do, which is the last thing, you want to grab your electrical tape, and you want to wrap it around the GFCI to protect it, because sometimes it's very important to do. Once you finish do that, you want to push in your wires nice and neat, and you want to give it a few push so it could be loose, so you're not fighting with it when you put in the screw. So oftentimes what happens is the GFCI might twist a little bit and it's not straight. So once you do that, it'll be good. Once you screw it in, and then that's basically it. And you want to grab your cover and put it in. On my case, I cannot put a cover as yet because they're doing the grout sealer on the backsplash, so we don't want it to get dirty. But we could always protect the GFCI itself with a blue tape. So that's all I have for you guys for today. Remember to subscribe to the channel and become part of the family. And let's continue to grow together. Peace till next time.